Welcome to our audio blog. Today's blog is a question and answer session. Without further ado and a lengthy introduction, let's begin. Google Search and ChatGPT have become essential tools for gathering information. But what are the key differences between them? How do they work, and when should you use Google Search and when ChatGPT? First question. How does Google Search work? The answer is, Google Search retrieves and ranks web pages based on a user's query. It starts by crawling the web and collecting data from billions of pages. This data is indexed, meaning it's stored in Google's database, and when you search, Google uses its complex ranking algorithms to sort through that information. The ranking process considers over 200 factors, including keywords, backlinks, domain authority, and user intent. It also factors in core web vitals, such as loading speed, mobile friendliness, and EEAT, an acronym for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, to ensure quality content is presented. Now, what makes Google's results so relevant? This is a very important question, so make sure to pay close attention to understand the process. I will keep it simple so that even those without a marketing background can understand it. Now, let me answer it. Google's search results are so relevant because it uses a very advanced system of algorithms that carefully examine different factors to decide which pages should be shown first. Think of Google like a smart librarian who knows exactly which books or articles will help you the most with your question. For example, Google looks at how well optimized a web page is for search engines. This means if a page has the right keywords in the right places, like in the title, headings, and text, it's more likely to show up higher in the search results. This is called SEO, Search Engine Optimization, and it helps Google understand what the page is about. Next, Google checks how reliable a page is by looking at how many other websites link to it. If other trustworthy websites link to it, that's a good sign that the page has useful and accurate information. These are called backlinks, and having a lot of good quality backlinks can help a page rank higher. Google also pays attention to how user-friendly a page is. If the website loads quickly, is easy to navigate, and works well on your phone, it gets a better ranking. Plus, if the page uses HTTPS security, meaning it's safe to browse, that's another reason Google will prioritize it. Core Web Vitals is the term Google uses for this, which measures things like page loading speed, how interactive the page is, and how visually stable it is as it loads. All of these factors together help Google decide which websites should appear at the top of your search results and which ones should appear lower. It's all about showing you the best, most trustworthy, and useful information fast. This is why, when you search on Google, you usually find what you're looking for quickly and accurately. Google uses these methods to make sure its results are the most relevant for your query. Question: what are the key features of Google Search? The answer is, Google Search gives you the latest results from across the internet in different formats like text, images, videos, and maps. It shows you the most relevant pages based on what you're looking for. Google ranks pages by how well they are optimized for search, their trustworthiness, and what you're trying to find. You'll also see paid ads at the top of the results, which are from Google Ads. Now you may wonder, how is ChatGPT different from Google Search? The answer is, ChatGPT is not a search engine like Google. Instead of showing you a list of websites, ChatGPT is an AI model that creates answers based on information it learned during training. This training involved reading a huge amount of text from books, articles, and other sources up until its last update. So when you ask ChatGPT a question, it doesn't go online to find live web pages. Instead, it uses its pre-trained knowledge to provide an answer based on what it already knows. ChatGPT uses a technology called natural language processing, NLP, which helps it understand the meaning behind your words and respond in a way that sounds natural, like a conversation with a person. For example, let's say you ask, what are the benefits of using social media for business? When you search on Google, it will show you a list of articles, blogs, and websites that discuss the topic. You'll need to click through different links to find the answer. But if you ask ChatGPT the same question, it will generate a direct, summarized response, such as using social media for business helps increase brand visibility, engage with customers, and drive traffic to your website, leading to more sales opportunities. No need to click on links. ChatGPT directly gives you the information it has learned. So while Google shows you a list of links, ChatGPT answers your question without needing you to browse through multiple sources. Question: what are the key features of ChatGPT? The answer is, ChatGPT gives you direct answers instead of showing a list of websites. It's really good for explaining things, coming up with new ideas, helping with writing, and answering questions. For example, if you ask ChatGPT a question, it will respond right away with a clear, summarized answer without sending you to different websites. However, ChatGPT doesn't have access to the latest news or live updates unless it's connected to the internet. So if you ask it about something that happened recently, it might not be able to give you up-to-date information. Also, unlike Google, ChatGPT doesn't rank websites or show you multiple links. Instead, it provides an answer based on the knowledge it already has from the information it learned during training. In simple terms, ChatGPT is like having a conversation with an AI that knows a lot of information, but it doesn't go online to find new info. It uses what it already knows to answer your questions. Now, the next question, and this is going to be a very important one. When should I use Google Search, and when is ChatGPT the better option? The answer is, use Google Search when you need real-time information, such as the latest news, trending topics, or product reviews. It's ideal for research where you need to compare multiple sources or dive into specific articles. Google is also essential when you want to search across various media formats like videos, images, and news. On the other hand, use ChatGPT when you need quick explanations, content creation, or brainstorming ideas. It's perfect for writing assistance, generating concepts, or summarizing complex information. If you need personalized advice or want to have a detailed discussion, ChatGPT excels in these areas. Now you may think, can ChatGPT replace Google search? The answer is no, ChatGPT can't replace Google. Google is a powerhouse for real-time, up-to-date information and multiple sources. ChatGPT, however, is great for quick answers and conversational responses based on pre-existing knowledge. They complement each other, and in the future, AI-powered search might integrate both approaches to provide better, more refined search results. The next question is, how does ChatGPT rank websites in its answers? The answer is, unlike Google, ChatGPT doesn't rank websites. Google ranks web pages by considering factors like SEO, backlinks, and website authority. But ChatGPT works differently. Instead of showing you a list of pages, it uses its knowledge to generate a direct response. When ChatGPT is connected to the web, it looks for information from sources that are reliable and trustworthy. It doesn't rank these sources like Google does, but instead gives you a summary of the most relevant and credible information it finds. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, what are the best SEO tools? It might mention well-known tools like Moz, Ahrefs, or SEMrush, explaining what each tool does. However, it won't rank them in an ordered list. It will simply provide the information in a summarized way based on what it knows. Let me make you understand with a real-life example. Let's say you're asking ChatGPT for help in choosing the best project management tools. ChatGPT might mention Trello, Asana, or Monday.com as some of the popular choices. It will explain their features and benefits, but won't rank them in a top 5 list like Google search results would. Instead, it just provides the details of what it has learned about these tools. Your next question will be, what's the best use case for each? The answer is that Google Search is your go-to for real-time data. Whether you're looking for breaking news, product reviews, or in-depth research from multiple sources, it's perfect for finding specific articles and doing detailed comparisons. On the other hand, ChatGPT is great when you want quick summaries, need help with content creation, or simply want to explore a topic more conversationally. It's ideal for brainstorming, drafting emails, and exploring ideas. Now, the final question for this session, will ChatGPT ever replace Google search? The answer is not completely. While ChatGPT is an incredible tool for summarizing and generating responses, Google remains the go-to platform for accessing real-time, dynamic information across the web. However, in the future, we might see more integration between AI models like ChatGPT and search engines to provide direct answers, backed by verified sources. Thanks for listening. Have a productive day.